Okay, you better work it. Work it. Work it. Oh yeah. Oh, wait, it's blurry. Hold on.
Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Kezia Eniang and I make food and lifestyle videos. So today's video is going to be a little different. This video is also sponsored by Sendwave. If you guys don't know, Sendwave is a money sending app where you can use to send to family and friends abroad, particularly in Africa, all the West African countries and Nigeria. So they are doing a special promotion where you get cash back when you send money. I've used previous apps before to send money, but this has actually been one of my favorites just because it's quick and easy to use, it's safe and secure, and there's no fees when you send money. So I'm going to show you guys the app. You can download it on Play Store or Apple Store on your phone. It's quick, easy, efficient. Again, they are doing a cashback promotion where you get at least 4.5% on whatever money you send back, whether it's £50 or £100. So it is a good incentive. So you guys should check it out. And yes, I'm also going to leave the details down below along with my code. You guys get a little reward when you sign up and also when you refer family and friends as well. So yeah guys, check out Sendwave, and yes, let's get to the video. So my loves, as mentioned, I am going to vlog our outing. I think I'm just going to start doing vlogs because I think it's just easier for me just to put on the camera and start talking without having to overthink it. So yeah, we're going to head out. So we're going to go to pizzeria. Well, it's between pizzeria and Sendwave, but we're going to decide when we get into the car. But either way, we're going to bring you guys along. I think I might also stop over at MAC because I need to buy new foundation because this one's clearly light. But yes, I've literally done like a mini setup so I can start editing my videos. And yeah, let's go.
Wi-Fi, guys. This is the life we live in Nigeria.
So guys, let me show you something. This is our internet connection.
Is that what you used it for?
And my box broke, so I have to put a band over it just to ensure that it stays in place. DIY. Hey guys, so we've just arrived at Sendwave. We're here. They've changed their menu, guys, so now you have to scan this in order for you to check out the menu, and it pops up on your phone. So this is COVID times, guys, but I think it's pretty cool actually. So now we're just going to check out the menu, and then I think I'm up for some ribs or a Greek salad. Okay, fine. Last time I came, I ordered a Greek salad.
And the time before that?
Ribs. I'm going to order ribs. So it's really nice and quiet. It's a Friday afternoon. After this, we're going to order some drinks.
And we might even go for ice cream after.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. I think ice cream, and what else is our treat? Like, we treat ourselves to pizza and ice cream every week.
Yeah.
So healthy.
Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me now.
Hey guys, so we're literally just here. I just ordered myself a Greek salad. It's so good.
So what are you rating this out of 10?
Literally a 7 out of 10.
Just a 7?
I mean, okay, maybe a 7.5 to 8. Definitely the best Greek salad I've ever tasted. Got tomatoes, cucumber, olives, feta.
Can we find love? Can we go back to where we were?
Hey my loves, just got back home. It was literally a really fun day. So now I'm just gonna get ready for bed, and I'll see you all in my next vlog. Bye. Hey my loves, so I just finished working out and getting ready for the day. I've got so many things that I need to get done today, so I'm going to try and vlog as much as I can. It has been a while since I've vlogged. I'm just prepping the meals, well, the ingredients for my mum, because I'm going to be cooking with my mum. We're going to be making an oven baked coconut rice dish. I shared a photo like this, oops, sorry guys about the lighting. I shared a photo like this on my channel about 2 months ago, and I had so many requests for this recipe, so I'm going to show you guys today because mum is making it. And so yes, I'm going to show you guys, and I'm also prepping for a recipe that I'm going to be making tomorrow, which is a creamy suya pasta. I tried it the other day and it was so good, so I thought I'd recreate it. So yes, I'm going to show you guys the ingredients now. So here are the ingredients. Ordered some suya last night, so I have some leftover chicken suya. Obviously got some spaghetti, some cream, some cheese. I'm going to try and use this oak smoked cheddar, but I also bought some Parmesan cheese as well to use. And I don't know why I have mozzarella here. I don't think I'm going to use it, but yeah, so I'm just prepping all of that for tomorrow. And so yeah, I'm really excited for that because I feel like it's been a while since I've made like a recipe video on my channel. And you know guys, literally I've just been enjoying eating my mum's food and also learning like how to make like authentic meals. Guys, I'm really sorry about the lighting. It's going to go up and down because today is sunny and cloudy at the same time. But yeah, I'm really excited to get back to like the recipe videos. It's been a while, so I have a few ones coming in. So yeah, I'm just going to prep this, and I'm going to do like a trial run today to see how the recipe is, and then I'm going to film the video tomorrow and hopefully have it on my channel next week. I also filmed a makeup tutorial for you guys, so I want that to go up next, and I'm going to finish working on the edit this afternoon. But yeah my loves, that is basically it. Let me show you guys. We're going to just about head off now and start prepping for the coconut rice, and I'm going to show you guys it now.
So what color are we getting?
I'm getting red. But I decided to change it into a design.
Okay.
I never do design, so I thought I'd try something different. So I'm going to show you guys a picture in a second. And I changed the design. I'm doing oval.
Okay.
This is oval, right? Yeah.
This is my favourite stuff.
It's feminine. Elongates your fingers.
Huh?
Elongates your fingers.
I like the shape. Thank you. It looks really cute.
So I decided to get this shape, which is like an oval, and it's one of my favourites. My hands are a bit dry, so ignore that. But yeah.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, outplayed.
Okay, you better work it. Work it. Work it. Take 20. Okay. Oh, ooh, ooh, a little bit of leg.
Hello my love, so today we are going to the beach. I've got my beach outfit. It's a dress and ASOS, and yeah, I'm so excited for today. It's the first time I'm going to the beach in a long time, and it's really bright. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys along with me. Peace!
I can't lie, baby, I love it when you give it to me. Every time you call me, me know you're on it. Me know say you want give me the every night. Every time.
I'm really excited. Hi guys, so we're currently on the boat now and we're just waiting for a few people so we can start making our way to Elashe. Elashe is like a 20-minute boat ride, and yeah, so it's a really nice day today, and got my sunscreen on. I need to wear my life jacket. Do you have a life jacket?
So yeah, see you guys.